techblockonaut.com again, and today in this video I'm going to show you how you can download TikTok videos from your desktop. So without wasting your time, let's get started. So what you have to do is you have to go to your TikTok account and you have to just sign in, and after signing up or without signing in, you just need to click on this video which you want to download. Just click on the one. Okay, and once you click on the video, then you have to right click from your desktop mouse and you will see this download button. I'm using Safari on Macbook, but this is the same process you have to follow on Google Chrome or any other browser you are using. So let me download this one, and you can see it is downloaded here, and you can see it is downloaded in the download box. And let me click on it and play it in front of you. You can see here it's perfectly downloaded without any watermark. So if you like this video, then don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you in the next video. Take care. Bye bye.